These apple nachos are my go-to snack. They are so delicious and easy to make.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple nachos. It's very easy, you just need an apple. I toasted up some coconut and I have some almond butter and some mini chocolate chips. Now you also can use peanut butter if you don't like almond butter. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to core the apple. And then we're going to slice it. And I usually slice the apple really thin. Okay, now we have our apple all sliced. The first thing you're going to do is spread some almond butter onto your apples. And then you're just going to sprinkle some toasted coconut and then some mini chocolate chips on the top. There we go. And this is one of my favorite snacks. They're very delicious. I hope you enjoy this snack, and I hope you have a great day.